Hi friends, thank you all so much for joining me today, and welcome if you're new to my channel. My name is Alyssa, and today I'm just going to be doing a flip through of this larger stacked envelope journal. And this one was kind of like a combination of some of my past projects. So the way that I made it was pretty much exactly the same as these ones here that I did my last tutorial on, but I did use junk mail envelopes for this one here. And the style of this one as well was pretty much inspired by these two journals that I did videos on previously as well. And a lot of you seemed to really enjoy the videos about these journals in particular. So I just wanted to thank you all so much for the support in making these journals. I'm really glad that you guys seem to enjoy it. So the style of this one is kind of similar to those two. So for this journal here, I used the vintage floral paper pad by the Paper Studio. And so it has that kind of obviously vintage and floral theme going on here. So you can see my lace here on the side, and then I have a few rose stickers. And this paper is just so pretty, so I kind of just left the cover alone. I wasn't sure whether to label it something like journal or just to leave it as is, but I decided to just leave it alone for now. So there is my first little envelope, and I have a side pocket over here. So I used the same paper pad for a lot of the journaling cards, and I just added some stickers here and there. And there's a little sticker in the corner here as well. But this was the lid of the junk mail envelope. So once again, I turned it into a tuck spot here. So I have a few things. This card says today is a new day, and I have some wallpaper flowers here on the side. So pretty. These are Tim Holtz wallpaper flowers. And then this little piece here has a butterfly in the corner because I liked how it kind of just poked out there. And you can see it from the front. And then I just added a few stickers down below as well. And then these flowers you can see on the side too. So I did kind of try to layer everything up again with this journal here. But moving right along, I have a tag and a vellum flower here. And this part actually flips out again. So I just drew my own lines here for some writing space. And I have this little piece here that's washi taped to this page. This is the junk mail envelope part there. So in that pocket, I just put this little tuck spot, and I added some lace trim to the bottom of this coffee dyed paper scrap. And I'll close that up. And over here, so you can see where the junk mail envelope window was. And so this part of the lid, I just glued it directly onto the envelope. I didn't make this a tuck spot because I wanted you to be able to see through the window here. So that's an option that you can do too. You don't even have to turn the lid into a tuck spot. You can just have it be a cute little decoration, or even just a space for more journaling. So in this little pocket here, I just have this bigger tag that says embrace the journey. Over here, I have some coffee dyed paper again, and I just used some washi tape to hold that down. This is just a little floral die cut piece, and I have another tuck spot here. So I just have a taller journaling card, and that flips up, and look at that beautiful paper underneath. And over here, there's another window from my junk mail envelope. So I added another floral piece in this corner. But in this pocket, I thought this would be a nice photo mat, or you could just journal all over it. But you could write a caption here or something like that. And then over here, I just have a pocket full of goodies. So first, there's a coffee dyed guest check. This here is another little tuck spot, and that's a tag. I think you can open this up. Yep, you can journal on the inside there. And then this is just an extra little scrap, and I added this ephemera piece to the side. So that's everything in this pocket. And then over here in this tuck spot, I added some more flowers and just a few things in here. So this is actually a tuck spot again, and this is just a coffee dyed index card, but it's really great for some extra journaling space. And this was just a leftover scrap, so I just turned it into a journaling card again that you could open up. And then before I put those back, I left this part here blank. This is the lid of my last envelope, so maybe you could do some more writing over here. There is some trim going down the side, but I'll just flip this open. And I just had some extra scrap strips, so I kind of just turned them into little journaling spots on this side here. So you can open them up like this. And then there's a very big pocket here, so I just stuck an extra sheet here of coffee dyed paper. And that's pretty much everything for this stacked envelope journal. So if you know me by now, you know that I love to use or repurpose all those junk mail envelopes that we get in the mail. This was so much fun for me to put together. I am planning to do a process video where I create another one of these with you guys. So let me know if that's something you would be interested in. I know a lot of you like to see my process sometimes, so I figured that I might create another one with you, maybe in a different theme. So I hope that you enjoyed this quick little flip through here, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so you can make another one of these with me, and leave me a comment down below. Thank you all so much for being here, and I'll see you all very soon in my next video. Happy crafting and huge hugs!